What was that?
Child abduction emergency. People, why is there an Amber Alert this early in the morning? As soon as I heard this advisory tone, I knew what it was.
They come over that and didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
That was way too fucking loud.
I'm not mad that they relayed the alert. I'm just mad that there was a Amber Alert. I barely didn't catch the alert on camera. What if they relay it twice? Like they do in Memphis. Did I just jinx it? Like they do in Memphis? Oh crap.
What?
They might actually relay it twice. So.
Somebody up?
Dad.
Why? Dad? Where is he? Where is he?
He's in the bathroom. It's my first real.
What time is it?
5:17 a.m.
Why is he up?
Because he heard the weather radio.
Oh.
So this is my first real child abduction emergency. That was actually quite creepy. It's 5:17 a.m. I'm in bed, and then the advisory tone. I'm like, oh shoot, because I already knew it was an Amber Alert. Because there was no bad weather going on outside, and
it could have been a dangerous person.
A civil emergency message. That's a warning. That would have been the warning tone.
Wait, yeah, like the dangerous person.
Are you talking about like the Hey, are you talking about civil emergency message?
No.
There's no other dangerous person alerts.
I thought there was, like, if somebody escapes, like, a prison or something, who's running around.
Yeah, it's a civil emergency message.
Oh, okay.
There are some other alerts that can go off that are under the advisory code, but it's extremely rare.
What?
Administrative message. There's not a really big use for that one. It's more just to send out informative messages, and some other stuff. But for a required weekly test, it beeps instead of playing the advisory tone. So that's why I knew that it was a CAE as soon as the advisory tone played.